Good morning, Charlie O'Hara back in our studio. Happy to have him here, and he's here to answer your legal questions. So get on the line right now if you're curious and you need some legal advice. He'd be more than happy to talk to you. 436-1212. And Charlie, it's been a while, so good to have you here.
It is. Nice to be here.
Well, the big topic today, and has been the last couple of days, bullying is such a hot topic right now anyways, but now it's kind of branched out into hazing, which really is the same thing. And a lot of legal discussion going on with what kind of repercussions do teammates face in schools, and as far as a legal standpoint, what can happen if someone does report you as hazing them?
Well, I think right now it's kind of an evolving thing in the law. I think it's relatively new that this has become kind of a legal situation. I mean, I think the thing you're talking about is we've got what you're supposed to be macho, big, tough guys in the NFL hazing each other, and one of them getting upset and basically leaving the team. And the other people not standing up for him. What does the team do in that instance? What does it do to the contracts? And then obviously it goes on down to other teams and other schools. And our society kind of tolerated bullies for a long time, I think. They really did. I mean, people were told to handle it yourself. You get your friends over there and take care of the problem if you have a problem and do something about it. But it seems now it's gotten a lot worse. And there's other ways to bully. You can bully electronically where you can never see the person. And so I don't know where it's going, but I think there's going to have to be something to stop people from just destroying the egos of other people.
Well, and we've talked before that there's always new laws, new things to learn. So like you said, this is something that just clearly is going to evolve as far as hazing laws perhaps in the future.
Yeah, and our laws kind of change if you ever notice with society. Societal changes change things. I mean, the age of marriage would change, the age of drinking has changed. Different things change at different times because of society, and our society isn't putting up with bullying at this stage.
Okay, thanks, Charlie. We do have a call on the line. We're going to get to that for that question. Hi, good morning. You're on the line with Charlie. What's your question?
Charlie, I have a critical care claim on an insurance company, and I was wondering how long they have to pay this claim.
I didn't get the question.
I believe a critical care claim, and he wonders how long he has before he has to, I think, pay it. I'm not really sure what a critical care claim is, though.
I'm not sure exactly what he means. I assume going to somewhere like the emergency room or somebody
right, and
on the verge of death.
A big bill
yes.
A lot of times.
Well, if you don't have insurance, you have a problem. If you owe the bill, you're supposed to pay the bill. If you don't have the money to pay the bill, you should be able to work some payments out. If you don't really have the money to pay it at all, then you can always take bankruptcy.
What are some legal ramifications that people can end up having happen to them if they don't pay their medical bills? If they just outright don't pay them? Can a hospital sue a patient?
Yes, it's just like any other debt. I mean, it's just like anything else you owe. It's like owing on your house. It's like owing on your car. It's like not paying for the rent on your house. If you don't pay the bills you owe, they can sue you and take part of your wages. What a lot of people have to do, I think, is take bankruptcy if they get too high, which at this stage, some of them can get real high. I mean, people can be in the hospital for a month or so when it's in the hundreds of thousands of dollars.
Okay, well, good luck with that. Hopefully you can work out some type of payment plan with your hospital provider. A lot of times they're a little more lenient if you could pay cash.
Well, I've heard they even let you charge you less if you pay cash.
Yeah, that's the rumor. Okay, thank you, Charlie. We'll be back with more Eyewitness News.